Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the best OBS settings for Kick. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app. In the upper left, click File, then select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Output. Look for video bitrate and set it to 8000 kilobits per second. This ensures your stream maintains high quality without buffering issues for your viewers. Next, navigate to Output mode. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Advanced. This unlocks more detailed configuration options that give you better control over your streaming quality. Under the Streaming tab, look for Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENC-H.264 or NVENC-AV1. If you're using an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH.264/AVC. If you're using an Intel GPU, select QuickSync H.264. Just make sure to avoid X264 if your CPU struggles while gaming, as this can cause performance drops. Below it, navigate to Rate Control. Click the drop-down menu right beside it, then select CBR. This keeps your bitrate consistent throughout your stream. Below it, you'll see bitrate. Click the text field right beside it and set it to 8000. Then move below it where you'll see keyframe interval and set it to 2S. This helps with stream stability and playback quality. Below it, navigate to Preset. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Quality. Then move below it to Profile. Click the drop-down menu and select High. In the left sidebar, click Video. Look for Base Canvas Resolution. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu, then select your monitor resolution. Below it, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your monitor resolution according to your monitor specs. Navigate to Common FPS Values. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click it and select 60 FPS for smooth, professional-looking streams. In the left panel, click Advanced. Navigate to Process Priority at the top. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Above Normal. Below it, navigate to Color Format. Click the drop-down menu and select NV12 8-bit. Below it, navigate to Color Space and select Rec 709. Right beside it, navigate to Color Range. Click the drop-down menu and select Full. Finally, in the bottom right, click Apply, then click OK. Your OBS is now optimized for streaming on Kick with the best possible quality settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.